Lizzie, can you reach way up high?
Hi.
High! Down.
Yeah.
Up and down. Look at the snow. Is there a lot of snow? Is the snow everywhere? It's on the house? What else is it on? Is it on the trees? And on the grass?
Yes.
On the grass? Wow. Is it on the trucks? And the cars? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. It's everywhere. Look, do you see little birds hopping around on the snow? And flying? And looking for seeds?